If you're looking to audit your website SEO in under 10 minutes, you've come to the right place. This quick 3-minute tutorial will break down exactly how to check and improve your SEO without wasting time. I've tested all the popular tools and I'm going to show you how to do it fast and effectively. Plus, I'm offering you an exclusive free trial to one of the best SEO tools in the description below. Just for you, my viewers. Let's get started. First, you want to check your website's overall health. This is crucial to see if there are any glaring issues. A quick way to do this is by using Google Search Console. It's a free tool and it gives you a snapshot of how your site is performing in search. Check for any crawl errors or manual actions. If there are issues, you'll need to address them ASAP because they can hurt your rankings. Next, let's look at your website's speed. Google ranks websites that load faster better. You can check your speed with tools like Google Page Speed Insights or GTmetrix. If your load time is more than a few seconds, you'll need to optimize images, reduce server response times, and consider using a content delivery network, CDN. This can make a big difference in both user experience and SEO. Now, move on to your keyword strategy. Are you targeting the right keywords? A good way to start is by using a tool like Ubersuggest or SEMrush. Look at the keywords you're already ranking for and see if there's room for improvement. Are you ranking on page 2 or 3 for some valuable keywords? With a bit of content optimization, you could move those rankings up. You also want to check your keyword density in your top pages and ensure you're using variations of your target keywords naturally in the content. Don't forget about mobile optimization. Google now uses mobile-first indexing, meaning your mobile site is what matters most for rankings. Check your mobile performance using Google's mobile-friendly test. If your website isn't mobile optimized, it's time for a redesign or at least some tweaks to improve the mobile experience. Backlinks are another key factor in SEO. Use a tool like Ahrefs or Moz to audit your backlinks. Are they from reputable sites? You want to make sure your backlinks are high quality. If you have any broken links, fix them. Broken links can hurt your SEO and user experience. Now let's quickly talk about on-page SEO. Check your meta descriptions, title tags, and header tags. Make sure they're optimized for your target keywords, but also enticing enough to encourage people to click. Keep your title tags under 60 characters and your meta descriptions under 160 characters, so they display properly in search results. For your content, ensure it's well structured with clear headings and subheadings. This helps both search engines and your readers. Make sure you're using keywords naturally in your content, but avoid keyword stuffing. Google rewards content that reads naturally and provides value. Finally, don't forget to track your performance. Regularly check Google Analytics and Google Search Console to keep tabs on how your SEO efforts are working. Look for trends in your traffic and rankings to know what's working and where you need to improve. Key takeaway: SEO audits are essential for improving your website's search performance, but it doesn't have to take hours. In under 10 minutes, you can cover the basics, like checking for crawl errors, assessing site speed, optimizing keywords, reviewing backlinks, and ensuring your site is mobile friendly. These small actionable steps can have a huge impact on your rankings. And remember, I recommend taking advantage of the exclusive free trial to the SEO tool. I've tested and mentioned in the description below if you want to follow along with this process. Don't miss out, that's it. Quick, simple, and effective. Thanks for watching.